Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guarantee 89 until 97 OVR player how to claim repeatable milestone of scout travel in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tap this a Centurions event and then jump into the last chapter, find Centurions. So all you have to do is earn scout playing by playing different modes. This one you can tap start. You can challenge yourself in the three mode. Scout progress, you can earn scout progress like from versus attack, match, and also head to head. And after that, or you can exchange with scout point. Your player with scout point, you can get 100 scout points. After that, you can use your scout point to play this scout travel. So I want to show you this one. This is the repeatable milestone. You can claim the guaranteed reward 89 and 97 OVR player if you are completing a 4 laps. Every 4 laps you can claim this repeatable milestone. If you're lucky, you can get one of these possible rewards. Let's tap free button. Tap to open. And let's see. We got player from Italy. Right midfielder. Play for a Regina, I think, or Torino here. 92 right midfielder Antonio Candreva. This is like veteran player. So good luck. Maybe you're lucky to get your player that you want. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. Enjoy the game.